These skills are skills you can use and should use in all walks of life, whether it's dealing with your children or dealing with your coworkers. Things like spending the time listening to what people say, and even more important than listening is making sure the person feels heard. It is absolutely worthless to say to somebody, I heard you, and then begin to talk. Because what that basically means is, I didn't hear you, right? I just want to talk myself. As a psychiatrist and a physician, I've learned, and perhaps cynically, that most people don't really care what your response is. They just want to be heard.